Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. Yan, nagpaiwan na Virgo. We have 5 of Cups. Meron kayong ikinakalungkot, no? Meron kayong pinanghihinayangan dito. Yung spilled milk na to, na pinanghihinayangan nyo yan. So, parang nanghihinayang kayo sa mga bagay, no, na maaring hindi dumating, hindi nangyari, or maaring nawala sa inyo, you know. But, you know what, no, this is negative energy, no, Virgo. Always remember na mas maigi na tayo ay mag-release, mag-let go ng kahit anumang negativity or negative energy, no? Kasi like attracts like, no? Always remember that, no? Na kung ang pinoproject mong energy is negative, no? So for sure, negative din ang dadating. Negative din ang mangyayari. Kaya as much as possible, i-release natin ito, you know? Itong negative na to, kung ano man ang iniisip ninyo, nagde-negative thinking siguro kayo, tanggalin na natin yan so that it won't attract more negative energy into your life, okay? At kung ano man to, no, wag na ninyo sanang isipin na panghinayangan pa ninyo, or wag na ninyong pagtuunan pa ng pansin kung ano yung wala sa'yo or hindi nangyari, hindi nagmaterialize, because ibig sabihin nun, hindi yung para sa'yo. No? Kasi, if it's meant for you, hindi yan mawawala sa'yo. Hindi ganyan ang mangyayari, 'di ba? It will be yours. It will be there, no, with you kung yan ay para sa iyo. Pero since hindi nangyari, hindi dumating, 'di ba? Nawala sa iyo, ay hindi yan para sa iyo. Kaya wag ka nang malungkot, wag ka nang mag-dwell on that. Kasi the more you dwell on what you don't have or what you are lacking, ay nako, mas lalo pang dadami ang ma-find out ninyo na kulang kayo, or mas lalong hindi kayo mag-a-attract ng prosperity and abundance, no? Kapag kaganyan. Kaya, yun, isipin nyo na lang, hindi yan para sa'yo, no? At kung merong nawala sa'yo, merong hindi nagmaterialize na plano, it's because there is something else, no, that the universe is preparing for you. Merong iba na inihahanda ang universe para sa'yo. At lagi ninyong alalahanin na kung ano yung binibigay sa'yo ng universe, ano yung inihahanda ng universe para sa'yo. That is what's best for you. Okay? So, what else? We have the King of Cups. Ayan. So, maybe you are going to be dealing with someone, no? Nakatulad ni King of Cups. This could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy na pwedeng makasama mo, pwede makausap mo, something like that. This could be someone also, no, na siguro siya yung makakausap mo, na siyang magbubukas ng isipan mo, siya yung magra-remind sa'yo, siya yung magpapaliwanag, no, ng kaisipan mo, no, Virgo. So, possible na gano'n ang ganap dito for some of you. Okay? So, good luck sa'yo. So, what else? We have the Queen of Wands. Alright? So, sa Queen of Wands, ano ito eh? This is someone, no, na hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi niya nakukuha kung ano yung gusto niya. Hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi niya na pagtatagumpayan ang kung ano man ang bagay na pinagkakaabalahan niya, or kung ano mang bagay ang pinagsisikapan niya, no? So, and maybe you are going to you're going to embody the energy of Queen of Wands sa ngayon. So, sige, magsipag ka, no? Continue to persevere, continue to work hard, diba? Hanggang sa marating mo kung ano yung goal mo. But provided, no, that it is for your highest good, provided that it is for your best interest, yan ay mangyayari at mangyayari kasi tutulungan ka ng universe, no? At saka kung sino yung nagte-take action, kung sino yung nag-effort, nagtatrabaho talaga, nagsisikap, tinutulungan yan ng divine. no? Kaya good luck sa'yo. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang mga mensahe para sa'yo. And by the way, maraming salamat muna for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. Please click the join button po sa baba ng video kung gusto po ninyong mag-member sa channel. At saka, salamat sa mga cross-watchers na nandito. Thank you for watching. And also, sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat din po. And also, ano na din po ito, na readings natin, available na din ito sa podcast. Kaya you can also access these readings through the podcast. Mapapakinggan nyo na rin po yan. So, just check it out po sa YouTube or YouTube Music app. Thank you. We have motivation. Sabi dito, when spring approaches, the flower fairies urge you to spring into action. If there's something you've been merely thinking about doing, they say, get busy and do it. No, just do it. Alright? Kung ano man ito na gusto mong gawin, do it. Alright? Kasi, rest assured, no, na tutulungan ka ng divine. No, na makamit mo to, na makuha mo to, na pagtagumpayan mo ito. So, just get going. Okay? Get on your feet and do it. Alright? So, protection. Sabi dito, the fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking in a spiritual work. So, this is an important reminder para sa inyo, no, mga spiritual workers, na before you do anything, no, na sa trabaho ninyo, make sure na you shield yourself first, no, with psychic protection. Okay? Para maging sigurado, maging safe kayo. We have magical gateway. It takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown. Yet, this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. Ayan. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, napakaganda ng pintong nagbubukas, and that is offering you something very exciting. That is something na talagang parang magiging adventure ito para sa'yo. That is a new beginning, no? Na nagbubukas para sa'yo. It's like an adventure para sa'yo kasi hindi mo pa ito nasusubukan before. As in, totally bago ito para sa'yo. So, but this is nice because you are excited about it, no? Kaya kapag excited tayo, you will be inspired, you will be motivated, at saka, doon din tayo natututo, doon din tayo maraming nalalaman, nakaka-gain tayo ng maraming wisdom, lessons learned, no? Talagang dyan ka mag-evolve, no? Sa kung ano man itong magbubukas na opportunity para sa'yo, go for it. So, thank you for watching, Love and Light. Namaste.